Welcome back to another Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. My name's Aaron, and thank you for tuning in, my friends. Now, as you can see, I'm on a field. I'm on a field that was a lake. And there's our house. This was completely a lake. And I'm on this side of the road. So what that means is the road is intact again. That leads me into this video. We had a very nice looking yellow Komatsu come here, a nice big excavator. And what we did is we dropped a big old drainage culvert, a 24-incher. Looked real pretty. We dropped her into the road. We repaired and rebuilt the road. And now we are cruising again. We have access north, south, east, west, you name it. Go circles, go across the road now. Well, excavator's back. The waters have receded significantly. We're down past the second wire. It's fantastic. The water literally dropped probably 2 feet overnight, 1.5 feet at least. So took a long time though for this water to start draining. But we actually have some land base now again. And got the excavator down, dammed up the end that it was draining into first. Drained up the output end, and it's got some crushed rock there. Gonna make a base. It's putting the culvert together. We're getting a third culvert here, so hopefully that will help drain these spring waters. Well, unless you think this video is chit, make sure you hit that old thumbs up and tell YouTube, hey, this video is okay. Let's show it to some more people. Let's get back to work, peeps. Yeah. Oh boy, that's a lot of... Doesn't seem to be bowing too bad. He's good with that grapple. Holy moly.
Come on. Cut here.
Oh, that thing's got a lot of flex in it. Look at that. This guy's knows what he's doing.
He's done one or two.
I think so. It looks like he's got to go a little bit deeper in the trench, a few more inches. It's just not quite as low as the other two beside it. So, oh, it is hard, eh?
Look out at a nice big rock.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, look, it's still
Frozen.
yeah, ice. That's nice and level now. That's exactly what I would have taken out. Now I'm gonna make it pretty level. Drop the culvert back in. Looks like he dug it in about another 4 or 5 inches. Covering it up now, and then he's gonna put this on top after. Oh, he's just putting the crushed rock on top. He straightened out the drainage, or he straightened out the drainage. So it is a little bit short, but the bank's pretty beefy here, so it's just going to go in a little bit. Still, better to have a culvert there than none. It's a pretty big one too. It should push a lot of water through. I actually think it's bigger than these two.
Yes, it is.
All right. Really impressed so far. This operator is very good. He's obviously spent way too much time on an excavator. He picked up that that double culvert with it basically bolted together just with the grapple. So soft, is unbelievable. Somewhat of a road, so right on. There we go. Come back when it's done. I'll show you her flowing. Well, I would say my dugout's full. I won't have to worry about hauling water this year. I can guarantee that. Holy moly! Still flowing good though. Still flowing good. As you can see, well, that's great to see. I like seeing some culvert there. So it's a little higher on the input side, on the output side it's a little bit lower. And you can see it's flowing pretty good. All three are flowing. So basically what we got here is a windstorm, but besides the windstorm, we got one 18-incher, two 18-inchers. Those two were the original, and this is the 24-incher. I believe it's a 24-incher that they popped in here. And yeah, so basically the natural drain comes from there. As you can kind of see where the islands are, it kind of just routes in here, and typically it drains at this point out there, and it shoots way out there. I'm going to do a tour. I'm going to show you the results, the aftermath of all this chaos on our fields. And I want to take you down south to where it's draining. I got to show you that land. You will be shocked, because I was. But I'll do that in this weekend's video. For this video, let's just stick to the road stuff. So anyways, this is what we got. We got a road that had to be cut and operated on, and we surgically implanted a new drainage. So looks great. Really happy to see 24-incher here. Honestly, I would like to see two, but beggars can't be choosers, right? Anyways, they still have to come with probably, I'm gonna imagine they're gonna drop a strip, a belly dump gravel, but they're gonna send a grader through here to even this off. It's not level yet, but hey, at least we can pass by. Neighbors can get through. This is a pretty busy road, so there's lots of traffic that relies on it. A lot of neighbors go through here. It's a real beauty. I'm just absolutely ecstatic that we're still around. I would say we were 1 foot of water away from being absolutely washed out. Much like all this wonderful flooding, I am done. I am throwing in the towel. This is Aaron signing off. We will see you next weekend with an all-new Prairie Sunset Ranch farm vlog. Be there or be square, my friends. Bye for now. Have yourself a fantastic week. We'll catch you on the flippy flop.